So today we're here with the Ulanzi smartphone rig. It's the U-Rig 2. I originally had the U-Rig 1, and over a period of, I'd say, not more than 24 hours of video that I've taken and taking it on and off the tripod, the plastic piece on the bottom broke down and started cracking down the middle. So I went on Amazon and I looked and I found the aluminum one. So to do the unboxing video today so I can get to work. Alright, so let's get started. Open this bad boy up. Alright, we got some stickers in here. That's cool. Ulanzi stickers. Vlog master plan. Ulanzi on Facebook. We have giveaway Tuesday. I can send them ideas for product or co-design with us. That would be cool. Ooh. Oh, it's so cold. This is cool. So on all the sides, as you can see, there's mounts. There's extra holes for everything, so you can mount multiple different things on it. On the bottom, on the top, and ooh, I like this. It's all metal, aluminum. I'm gonna fall in love with this thing. Not that I love you any less, Linda. You can't relate. So, anything else that comes with it? No, it's pretty straightforward. It was just the rig, just a plain box with this stickers. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up and I'm gonna do some video today, and we'll take a look and see how it works. Here we are, finishing up our review of the Ulanzi U-Rig 2. First off, I want to say the pros about this item. So far, I've noticed that it's really strong. It's aluminum, that's what I bought it for. I didn't want it to bend or break. The other thing that I like about it is that there's room for mods. You can see there's holes, there's threaded holes on each side, the top and the bottom. Put your tripod on it, and you could potentially put handles on it. Another thing that I like is that my phone can fit with its case on it. The last rig, the phone can't fit in the rig. It fits all right, it's not gonna fall out. Cons about this product, I would say it would be nice if it was wider. You can see that there's barely any room for my fingers in there. It works. It's not terrible, but that's one suggestion I would make for it. The thing is that it's all made of aluminum. So in the winter, if you're not wearing gloves, or you have to use it multiple times and stop and start the video, it gets real cold. One other thing I wanted to point out is that I like that you can slide the stuff from either side. The other one, you just put them in the back, but for this one, You can just slide it in. You can lock in the light. Lock in the mic. Lock another light. And you can just unlock them, untwist them, and push them out. Either side, doesn't matter. So that's one other feature that I liked. That's all I had to say, just a real quick review about this. I'm gonna post this on Amazon and put a link to my YouTube from it. And I would recommend you buy this over the plastic one. We'll leave a link to the Amazon, where to find it on Amazon. And that's all I have for you.